Struggling to start your career in accounting? NextGeniQ was designed to help. Over 80% of our students get a job after finishing the Assistant Accountant program, and we'd love for you to join them. Our training portal's interface makes it easy to view the programs you've registered for, track your course progression, access updates, and sign up for webinars. Each topic in the program includes written material, video content, knowledge checkpoints, assessments, and case studies. The knowledge checkpoints and assessments confirm your understanding of the key concepts, while the case studies use real client data to provide you with practical experience. And we've made it easy to access on-demand support via our discussion board, live chat, and email. Sounds amazing? We have more to offer. 35 courses are available to boost your skills in Excel, finance, interviews, communication, and personal development. You can access them free if you sign up for the Assistant Accountant program. Call us on 1300 223 639 today to enroll or to speak to a consultant. NextGeniQ, a smart platform for your successful accounting career.